Welcome guys, there's another hiking today. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes. Okay? Okay. Let's go. 2 hours later. Ta-da! Here we are. Peyto Lake. 700 meters.
700.
Okay, let's go.
Peyto Lake.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning.
Nagasip kan gaya ang Peyto Lake.
45 minutes hike. Oh, di ba? With Ate Carmina family. Wilson Squad Vlogs. And Big R family. Yes. Oh, easiest trail. Saan tayo? Easiest trail?
Dito na sa ano,
You are here.
sa hindi ECS.
Shortcut? This is the shortcut. Is this the
It's
shortcut?
only 100 meters. The easiest, that's 150.
Oh wow, okay. Oh, dito daw tayo. This is the easiest trail. How many meters? 100 meters. The other one is 150. Alright guys. Pataas siya. Pataas siya, di ba? Mabilis lang itong hike na to. 45 minutes hike. Going to Peyto Lake Viewpoint. Pero hingal much. Ba't ako hinihingal? Oh my! Yun ang daanan natin. Pataas, di ba? Yes.
And forth.
45 minutes back and forth. Oh, hello, hello. It's uphill. I think it's 45 minutes uphill. Hindi na.
Ang ganda ng ano natin.
Go like this.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think we're here. We're here now. Diba? Saglit lang. Nice. Ooh. Wow. That's so nice. Wow, this is Peyto Lake.
Nakikita sa lake doon kapila.
Nice. Very good. Ganda ng kulay.
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo? Parang ulo ng fox. Wolf.
I know, yes.
Lalo pag nandito.
Ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya.
Video.
So ano pa yun?
So, natanla sa pantay po. Hindi may isa.
What a color! Turquoise. Peyto Lake, situated in Banff National Park, showcases nature's artistic prowess. Its distinctive shape and vibrant turquoise hue make it a true masterpiece. The lake owes its mesmerizing blue color to the glacial rock flower that flows into it from the surrounding Peyto Glacier. Okay, diretso tayo sa may viewpoint. Bow Summit Viewpoint. 2.5 kilometers.
May parking sa... Why? May parking sa taas.
It's hot na. Okay, let's go. Oh. Let's go guys to the summit. O, diba? Oh, may pasukan pa dyan, oh. Go inside. Oh, picture. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Taran. Hi.
Okay, take it off.
Alin sa na panandan?
Hindi mo natin nagwarang sa tagay, nagkapunta kami.
Nagsuplitan, baka nagsuplitan.
At sa batik nga diya, yan nagwarang ka.
Oh, ano na yan, kuya?
Yan ka lang, yan ka lang. Picturean kita.
Baka
Nag,
mo na damatan.
nagadayo pa gaya man eh. Nagngato pa eh. Guys, malayo pa pala doon pa sa tuktok. Doon. Malayo pa. So balik na tayo. Kasi malayo pa at tapos merong ano, injury. Nagdiretso na gaya. Yun lang. Oh, balik na tayo guys. Kasi malayo pa. Hindi tayo naka-ready. Wala akong dalang snack kasi akala ko yun lang ano sa viewpoint. So malayo pa pala yung Bow Viewpoint. Okay. Bye. See you later. Okay guys. We're going to a different route. Okay? Para makita natin ang view. Ayan. Diyan, taas dyan. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ayan. Ayan na pala eh. Kahit dito lang, okay na. Sabay ganun. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go guys. Ito na pala ang viewpoint. Mali ang pinuntahan natin kanina. Okay? Yes. Here we are. Kaya natin. Oh, here na pala. Yeah. And I'm here. Yay. Yay. Nice. Whew. Hi. Pagod. Ha? Uy. So nice. So beautiful. One last time on top. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Bye.